In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a story in Jira. This might be a handy piece of knowledge if you're managing your workload and need to streamline your backlog by removing unnecessary stories. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, the choice is yours. Once you've got your browser up and running, navigate over to the Jira website. Now, it's time to log in with your credentials. Always double check that you've entered the correct username and password. This small step ensures a smooth and speedy login process without any hiccups. Now that you're inside Jira, the next task is to locate the specific story you want to delete. There are a couple of straightforward ways to do this. You can head directly to your backlog where all your stories are listed. If you're not entirely sure where the story might be, take advantage of the Search Issues feature. This handy tool is especially useful if you have a slew of issues and don't want to sift through the backlog manually. Just type in the name or details of the story you're after, and it should appear pretty promptly. Once you have successfully pinpointed the story, go ahead and click on it to open its detailed issue page. This page is where you'll find all the information and options related to that specific story. When you're viewing the story details, direct your attention to the top right corner of this page. You'll notice a More menu represented by 3 dots, often called an ellipsis. This is your next stop. Click on those dots and a drop-down menu will unfold before you. As you explore the drop-down options, you'll want to select the Delete option. Now, a word of caution is essential here. Make sure you've selected the correct story before proceeding to delete it, as this action is irreversible. After you've clicked Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This acts as a safeguard to prevent any accidental deletions. You'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Take a moment to review once more that you're deleting the right story. When you're absolutely certain, go ahead and click Delete in the pop-up. This action will permanently remove the story from your backlog. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a story in Jira. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so it's crucial to ensure you're removing only what's no longer needed. I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you, allowing you to manage your Jira backlog more efficiently. If you have any more queries or need additional guidance, feel free to explore more of our videos for further insight. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back here for our next tutorial.